नेक्स्ट अप मुंबई इंडियंस, जिन्होंने एलिमिनेटर में आरसीबी को अच्छा क्या बोलते, अच्छी चुनौती दी थी, बट ऑफ कोर्स आरसीबी डिड get the better of them. Let's have their releases and retentions out. Once again, not a lot of players released. The one big surprise, of course, being Izzy Wong, probably.
It was not a surprise because her performance has been on a decline. I think John Lewis has also spoken about how, we're giving her some time to, work on her skill set in the domestic setup and then come back to the England side. So I wasn't surprised that her selection nahi hua tha. But I think, again, heading into the auction, there might be some teams who would be interested in her, right? She does offer a little bit with the bat, does reasonably well with the ball as well. But I hope she's able to come back to that sort of a rhythm, burst onto the scene as someone who, can give you that express pace, wickets at will and everything. So I'm just, hoping that happens for her. But again, looking at the releases, right, like Fatima Jaffer had a great time for Mumbai in the senior women's T20 trophy, was picking up wickets at important junctures. So letting her go, I mean, not that she got any opportunities for Mumbai anyways, but being in that setup kind of helps. I hope they kind of buy her back, or, we have some team that does buy her back. Humaira Qazi is, of course, your...
Mumbai skipper.
Winning skipper who has been doing really, really well. So a tad bit disappointed to see her being let go of. I don't know if it's Mumbai's strategy ki we'll again purchase them back or look at other domestic options. But Humaira Qazi is kind of like a hot property. People would want to, kind of...
जीता है भाई. I mean, T20 competition जीतने वाली skipper है, but she's not exactly an aggressive batter, so that's probably
takes her time to settle
exactly.
in.
So that goes a bit against her. But in terms of their 11 as well, producers up, let's have that out.
Again, it picks itself.
Most options pick themselves. Hayley Matthews, Yastika Bhatia, Nat Savabdan, Mealy Kerr, Harmanpreet Kaur, Pooja Vasrakar, Sajna, Amanjot Kaur. फिर एक gap हमने रखा है. ऐसा I genuinely think वहाँ पे they already have enough options in their squad to fill that in. But रखा है कि कुछ लगे कि हाय एमआई को भी शॉपिंग करना है कुछ तो करके. साइका इशाक and Shabnam Ismail to finish or round their 11 up. I do think Keertana Balakrishnan would be a great fit for them at that number 10.
Again, just give her those opportunities. If there's one bad over, usko aise attack se mat nikalo. Keep backing her, right?
Yeah.
I think that is one of the things that was missing at least.
Tad bit surprised that she only played a couple of games. Then they played Humaira Qazi for the next 5, 6, 7 games. But usme bhi Humaira Qazi hardly got to bat. She batted
entry point.
तो अगेन मतलब यू कांट ब्लेम देम यार. जब तुम ऐसा पैक टॉप ऑर्डर रखोगे तो जाहिर सी बात है तुम किसी को भी लाओगे उनको उतने मौके नहीं मिलेंगे. बट ऑल इन ऑल अगेन मुंबई लुक्स वेरी सेटल्ड. नॉट टू मेनी names to look at for them in terms of shopping. My only worry is they have an overseas slot remaining. There's a certain Deandra Doughton that will be up for grabs. If Mumbai decides to Shabnam Ismail को हम लोग स्क्वाड में रख दे लेकिन 11 में नहीं, और Deandra Doughton
and Hayley Matthews are the formidable duo that did play for the Melbourne Renegades, and I think the kind of synergy that the duo has, they just add so much value to the side.
पता नहीं, I just have this gut feel Mumbai is going for her. I don't know if they'll get her, because Charlotte Edwards had also mentioned that they'll be going for a middle order batter and all of that.
And Deandra Doughton can give you those
overs of pace, exactly. And मतलब death में भी डाल सकती है, power play में भी डाल सकती है. So she can actually be an adequate enough replacement in some sense.
Option,
for Shabnam Ismail. So देखते हैं क्या होता है वहाँ पे मुंबई के लिए. Mumbai, of course, we said Charlotte Edwards mentioned that she might be looking for a middle order batter. There was one more coach who said that, John Lewis, UP Warriors. उनका भी स्क्वाड दिखाते हैं क्योंकि वो भी Deandra Doughton के लिए जा सकता है. बट यार तुम्हारे पास ग्रेस हैरिस है, तालिया मिग्रा है, तुम मतलब फिर कहाँ पे खिलाओगी? It'll be interesting to see. In terms of the release players, Danny White-Hodge, of course, was traded to RCB. Then Lakshmi Yadav, Parshavi Chopra, Lauren Bell, and S. Yashasri.
Let's talk about Lauren Bell. Because, funnily enough, John Lewis, I think, again in his presser, did mention that, we might purchase her again. And I'm like, why did you let go of her in the first place? Because when you look at the pace reserves, it looks very thin, right? It looks very fragile. I mean, Saima Thakur does come in with that sort of an international experience. But again, she will be doing the heavy lifting, which I'm not sure is the most ideal thing. T-Mac ka form bhi bahut upar niche ho raha hai. I think she was playing for Adelaide Strikers as well.
Captaining them, of course.
Yeah, and they were going for the whole three-peat and everything, but her performance did not really strike and come across that. I mean, the bat, she still did reasonably well.
UP Warriors ke liye bhi she did not have the greatest of seasons last year. She was very bad. In fact, she was also replaced eventually by Chamari, so वो भी एक था.
I mean, UP Warriors का ये भी है कि collectively their overseas picks don't perform, which makes life so much more complicated. And I think Akshay and I were also discussing off record that The very fact that they retained both Chamari and Alisa Healy was a little surprising, right? They would probably let go of one because they haven't been doing their best. Even just looking at Chamari Attappattu's numbers in overseas franchise leagues and all hasn't really given us that much of a picture. I mean, we love her for the kind of character she is, what she takes back to her, Sri Lankan ecosystem and everything. But how much she has actually stepped up and contributed for the teams is kind of under the scrutiny.
Yeah, I mean, World Cup, BBL, since the Asia Cup final, basically,
Things have been,
not. Yeah, exactly. It's been going downhill. So, वो एक देखना पड़ेगा क्या होता है वहाँ पे. And also, not just Chamari, they've got Alisa Healy, Chamari, Uma Chhetri, Vrinda Dinesh, Shweta Sehrawat. That's a lot of top order
batters ka collective.
Yeah, exactly. And you want to play all of them together at the top. So it'll be difficult. I do think, I mean, I agree with Neha कि अगर release कर देते दोनों में से एक को भी, it would have given them a lot more flexibility entering the auction.
And also, I really think this could be a do or die season for Alisa Healy in case UP Warriors continues to perform the way they have been doing. I don't think next season they would want to persist with her. They will look at another option. Probably T-Mac को captaincy दे देंगे. They will look at another option.
I would say go to Deepti Sharma captaincy के लिए.
She didn't express interest, and there's going to be like a whole backdoor deal with like Delhi Capitals.
Yeah, that was a conversation that happened. That was a conversation that happened,
but
exactly.
Delhi was like, bro, we already have Meg Lanning, and if कोई और उनके बाद captain होगा तो फिर Jemmy, right?
Yeah.
So Deepti is a hot candidate for captaincy. Yeah.
So UP का 11 भी एक बार दिखा देते हैं before we move on to the final team, of course. Fairly obvious, some of those names, most of those names rather. Alisa Healy, Chamari Attappattu, Kiran Navgire, Talia Megra, Shweta Sehrawat, Deepti Sharma. Then, of course, there's a gap there at number 7. And then Sophie Ecclestone, Saima Thakur, Rajeshwari Gaikwad, and then again a gap at number 11. एक पेसर की उनको सख्त जरूरत है.
Overseas pacer maybe?
Overseas pacer, but 11 में overseas spots ही नहीं है ना. तालिया मिग्रा, तुम सोफी एक्ल्स्टन, चमरी, अलीसा हीली, 4 खत्म. और यहाँ पे ग्रेस हैरिस है भी नहीं. ग्रेस हैरिस स्क्वाड में भी है. तो तुम 6 ओवरसीज स्लॉट में अगर एक ओवरसीज पेसर को भी लाते हो तो खिलाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
Yeah, so you'll have to tinker with the overseas combination then. Yeah.
So they will have to look at Indian options. It's always been an issue for them. They've not had too many top Indian pacers, so to say. So something that they will be looking at. And then there's that middle order role. Jazia Akhtar, I feel, would be a great fit for them. Number 6, number 7 पे वहाँ पे खेल सकती है. But Poonam Khemnar है. She batted at number 6, number 7. Did not do too badly last year.
Yeah.
That game against was it Delhi Capitals probably a game that they came very close to winning, but no, Gujarat Giants probably they lost by 1 or 2 runs. She was the one along with Deepti Sharma who took the chase, exactly till the end. तो देखना पड़ेगा वहाँ पे क्या होता है. But again, Gyandra Doughton is another name they can go for because John Lewis himself also said कि middle order batter.
But again, वो overseas combination का क्या करेंगे?
तालिया मिग्रा को हटा दो यार. मतलब Gyandra Doughton open तो नहीं करेगी. या फिर चमरी को हटा के Vrinda Dinesh. There are too many names. Like even this 11, I don't think would be my first choice 11 because I would personally still go to Vrinda Dinesh. तुमने अगर 1.5 करोड़ खर्चा किया तो I don't think she'll be bench. But देखना पड़ेगा. It'll be interesting to see how they go about it. If they're smart, Chamari will be a backup opener and not a first choice option. So if that happens, then they'll probably have a better shot at coming up with a more well-constructed 11.
I think we missed one. There were 10 names.
Last is also gap. So number 11 pacer. So they need a pacer basically. वो pacer अभी कौन होगा domestic cricket से किसी को उठाना पड़ेगा, देखना पड़ेगा.
Or a spinner, but spinner मतलब it will become very heavy. Yeah, they already have Sophie Ecclestone,
Deepti Sharma है, and then Grace Harris, Chamari दोनों डालते चाहिए. So I don't think spinners is something they need. Pacers is something they will have to go for. But, of course, last but not the least, Gujarat Giants, who have successfully held the silver spoon for 2 seasons running. Their releases, a couple of surprises, Sneh Rana, Catherine Bryce, Leah Tahuhu, Lauren Sheetal, Trisha Pujata, Taranum Pathan, and Veda Krishnamurthy. Interesting releases, to say the least.
Let's talk about Veda Krishnamurthy, because she was a part of the Geo
when the list came out.
I think she was informed prior, but then थोड़ा दिल पे लगा यार, like expert है, let go. But yeah, sorry.
ठीक है, जो होता है सो होता है. But यार, overseas, I was hoping that they'll release at least a couple more names because once again,
it opens up the purse.
Not just purse. क्योंकि अभी तुम्हारा top, you've logged in all your overseas choices. You cannot bench Beth, you cannot bench Ashley, you cannot bench Laura, you cannot bench Phoebe.
So they are a given. But again,
तो मतलब overseas फिर खत्म हो गया ना. तो bowling में once again, what are you going to do? And Priya Mishra को भाई अभी तो मिताली राज यार आप please खिला लो यार Priya Mishra.
It's an appeal, yeah.
Exactly. But Kashvi Gautam hopefully will be fit
Yes,
this time
yes.
around, so that'll be a major shot in the arm for them.
Absolutely.
Her not being available did not help them at all.
I mean, not that she would have done like a massive difference, but then again, it would have added a lot of balance and stability to that playing 11 is what we felt through
Agreed.
the watch-alongs we did last season. Yeah.
Exactly. इसीलिए तो मतलब वो देखना पड़ेगा. But given that all the rotation slots are filled, Sneh Rana being released was a bit of a surprise. But ठीक है, मेरे को समझ में आता क्योंकि they have enough spinners and all. Maybe they have other options in mind that they want to go for. But even then, I don't think she was मतलब ऐसा
Doing
नहीं-
anything wrong, but then again,
और बहुत एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं थी मतलब in terms of money 60-70 लाख में उनको लिया था. So I
Yeah.
don't think she was burning a huge hole in
but
that
I felt
pocket.
like it was such a disservice to her because she did step up as captain when your
Yeah.
regular captain wasn't there. And she has worked very closely with Mithali Raj and Nusha
Real
Rankhani.
breeze,
So I
yeah.
thought thoda, like trust and that sort of a basis would also work out. But I think a lot of teams would still want to go after Sneh Rana, right?
Yeah,
she
I
can
would
offer
imagine.
a lot.
Yeah, I'd be very, very, very surprised if
She
she
goes
goes
unsold, yeah.
But we've seen funnier things happen in the last IPL auction. अगर
Yeah.
शार्दुल ठाकुर unsold हो सकता है तो why not Sneh Rana? तो वो भी एक है. That's another line
Yeah.
of thought. In terms of the 11 and how that looks, of course, वो भी एक देख लेते हैं. Laura, Beth, of course, open for them. Hemlatha, Beth's favorite at number 3. Phoebe Litchfield, Ashley Gardner, Bharti Fulmali, 4, 5, 6. Number 7, vacancy. Then there's Tanuja Kanwar. There's Shabnam Shakil,
Yeah.
Kashvi Gautam, Priya Mishra. Kashvi of course can bat also, so maybe Tanuja के ऊपर या Tanuja के नीचे खेल सकती हैं वो वहाँ पे. Shabnam Shakil, fantastic. She was probably the breakout performer from
Absolutely,
last season.
yeah.
Priya Mishra has been doing very well for India A, for India, even in the domestic circuit. So good. I'm hoping to see more of her in the WPL itself.
And even Bharti Fulmali has been doing reasonably well for Vidarbha. I think she plays for
Vidarbha,
Vidarbha,
yeah.
She's also been playing well, has played for India at a time when, the selections were so
Yeah.
like bizarre and she was like slotted in as a youngster and all of that. I hope the WPL can be a launch pad for her to, kind of make her come back to that Indian team because we see how the Indian team keeps, tossing around with Pooja Vastrakar, Arundhati Reddy and a lot of things here and there keep happening. So, I'm hoping that happens. Briefly touching on Dayal and Hemlatha as well. The kind of season she had for Perth Scorchers was absolutely disappointing.
Yeah.
I mean, I had expectations. I think, मतलब Beth Mooney ने इतना confidence में ले लिया उनको and was backing her to the hill. But Hemlatha just didn't come through, right? I mean, I know you would be like, I knew this, I saw this coming and everything, but I still had like an ounce of hope. But for me, it was flat out disappointing. I don't see her making a comeback to the Indian team anytime soon, unless something magical happens.
I mean, BBL तो ठीक है. I don't think I was expecting too much. I was hoping against hope कि अच्छा,
There was
yeah.
like one cameo, I'd
Yeah.
say like that 40.
40 odd she scored, yeah.
whatever.
But she's still going to fit in the Gujarat lineup. I don't think she'll be benched. She's a great player of spin, great hitter of spin rather. So वो एक
Yeah, I
है.
think she did score a 90 something
Yeah, she had a very good knock.
versus Mumbai. Yeah.
हाँ, Mumbai. So इसीलिए वो भी एक है.
Harman
वहाँ
also
पे.
played well in that game or something.
They won the game, na? Mumbai won the game. Harman won the game for
Eventually,
Mumbai.
yeah.
So number 7, it's basically the slot that Sneh Rana has left vacant. That is empty right now in this 11. अभी देखना ये है कि वो अपने first 11 में will they go ahead with all 4 of Ashley, Phoebe, Laura and Beth Mooney? If they are somehow able to squeeze in a couple of Indian options at the
Aussie
top,
heavy.
yeah, then they can probably bring in someone in the middle order, an overseas player in the middle order. Imagine if I want to say Deandra Doughton, but given everything that's
Yeah, I
happened
don't think
in the
that's
past,
happening, yeah.
so I don't think that's happening. But it'll be interesting to see
Definitely
who do they go for. Brooke Halliday is a name that teams might go for. I mean, that teams can look at. I like.
Again, played for Perth Scorchers, yeah.
Oh yeah, exactly, and didn't do too badly in the World Cup. One of those batters who can actually attack from the get-go. There aren't too many of them
How about
going
someone
around.
like a Susie Bates? Do you think she's past her prime?
Not Susie Bates. I know another
हाथ जोड़
Perth
के
Scorchers. नहीं, Hobart Hurricanes is bar. She's played for Perth
Yeah.
before, but नहीं, not Susie Bates. There's also Rosemary Mayer. I'm thinking New Zealand से एक दो आ जाएंगे World Cup जीता, so वो recency bias भी रहेगा.
Eden
So
Carson and all.
yeah,
those
exactly.
guys.
So UP Warriors can also look at Rosemary Mayer. Pacer bhi chahiye, so she could be someone they can look at. How does Tejal get dropped all of a sudden after doing so well in the series versus
Yeah.
Australia and New Zealand? Arish, just scroll a bit back and you can check out what we had to say about it. But in terms of Gujarat Giants, of course, so that's that from Gujarat Giants and what we can expect from them.
Cricket, cricket, cricket.